The Terberg company was founded over 140 years ago and is still a 100% family-owned business. Since 1973, Terberg Special Vehicles have experience in the engineering and manufacturing of terminals and RoRo tractors for ports, logistics, industry, railroad, tunnel construction, and airports. The way Terberg serves its customers is based on its core values. As an entrepreneur, address the business opportunities the market offers. Leadership by investing continuously in engineering and development. Passion and quality are the principles for doing business. Act quickly in a rapidly changing world. Listen to your customers to create the right products. Do what you have agreed to do. The new generation RoRo tractors is engineered with the following aspects in mind. Safety. The fully welded chassis frame provides a perfect combination of modular construction, strength, weight, and easy access. The strong all-steel cab structure, fully FOPS and ROPS tested, ensures maximum driver protection. The cab is recessed well within the chassis frame, providing protection against damage. Counterweight, standard integrated in front bumper. Visibility. The cab interior provides a high degree of comfort and an excellent working environment for the driver. The curved, large windscreen and rear window ensure excellent driver visibility under all operating conditions. Driver comfort. The spacious cab offers many interior features and is ergonomically designed specifically with the operator in mind. The 180-degree rotatable steering console incorporates the multi-CAN bus display and all the other main command and control functions. The seat position is optimized near the side window for driving in reverse due to the ergoturn rotating mechanism. Performance. The CAN bus system provides easy and full access to vehicle information without the need of additional tools, like a laptop computer. Terberg RT tractors are engineered and built to handle up to 375 tons GCW and cope with fifth-wheel loads up to 45 tons. The tractor range offers various modular driveline options, allowing operators to select the correct output and performance best suited to their particular requirements. Other standard options are 4x4 drive, double-acting cylinder. The safe neck system ensures optimum weight distribution between front and rear axles, which can increase permissible payloads by up to 250%. Patent rights are registered. Terberg delivers in more than 80 countries all over the world and has comprehensive after-sales. So, if you're interested in lowering your total cost of ownership, please give us a call.